Hi little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to create something colorful and bright. Can you guess what it is? A beautiful rainbow flower. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So grab your markers and let's start drawing. First, let's draw a big circle in the middle of our paper. This will be the center of our flower. Perfect! Now, we'll draw 12 petals around the circle. Go slow and steady, and make your petals nice and round. Great job! Look at our lovely flower. Now that our flower is complete, let's make it pop. We'll take our black marker and carefully trace over all the lines. This will make the drawing bold and sharp. Wow, it already looks amazing, doesn't it? It's time to give our rainbow flower some beautiful colors. Grab your color pens and let's color the petals together. Repeat the colors with me. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Look at all those rainbow colors. Our flower is so colorful and fun. Wow, look at our beautiful rainbow flower. Doesn't it look awesome? You did an amazing job. If you had fun drawing with us today, don't forget to like and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more exciting art projects. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye. Don't forget forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.